And our top story tonight, the state has now made a plea offer to the man who's accused of using an axe to kill the mother of his 3-year-old son. Ewen Dewitt appeared in Milford Superior Court today. News 12 Connecticut's Marissa Alter was there.
Julie Minogue's father and her best friend were in the courtroom as the state's attorney offered Ewen Dewitt 45 years in prison in exchange for pleading guilty to murder and risk of injury to a child. It comes nearly 2 years after Minogue's 3 sons were left without a mother.
I'm anxious to get justice as rapidly as we possibly can.
It's hard for Gerald Minogue to say what justice looks like after what happened to his daughter.
You can't put a number of any side, let alone years, to the life of a loved one.
On the night of December 6, 2022, Milford police say Ewen Dewitt stormed Julie Minogue's condo with an axe. Her 2 youngest boys were home during the attack, including Dewitt's 3-year-old son.
Mr. Dewitt, 40, sir.
On Friday, Dewitt appeared in court briefly as the case came one step closer to being resolved.
The state is prepared to make an offer today. That offer is 45 years to serve.
It's very hard for me to sit there and say that that's acceptable. Do I, know where the state is coming from? I do. And, while I can't say that I'm 100% happy with that number, I'll have to live with it at this point.
Minogue had a protective order against Dewitt at the time of her death. She'd also recently reported him after Dewitt allegedly sent her 200 text messages, including threats. Police said the officer who handled her complaint didn't follow through with additional information needed to get an arrest warrant for Dewitt before Minogue's murder. It makes the milestones and holidays without her even more difficult for loved ones.
There's been birthdays, Christmases, Thanksgivings, now engagements with her son, but she's been here in spirit, I can tell you that.
Dewitt is set to return here October 25th to accept or reject the offer. His attorney previously said Dewitt wanted to resolve this case without going to trial. In Milford, Marissa Alter, News 12 Connecticut.